G'day guys, Paul here. For starters, just I'm not the best at videos and YouTube, but I'm just doing my best to share the info, so bear with me. This is just a video to show with a basic multimeter that you can get from JCar for $20 or $30. You might be able to get one cheaper on eBay, cheaper than that even. You just put the common black lead in there, the other one in the V or voltage. Put it to voltage, and if it has AC or DC, set it to DC. This is to check on a DC inverter stick welder the open circuit voltage and whether it's got VRD voltage reduction device on or off, because obviously if you have a machine with VRD on and you can't turn it off, it just means with 6010 electrodes it's going to be a bit harder to start the arc, a little bit more annoying to start the arc. So yeah, you just DC voltage, turn the welder on. Doesn't matter about the amps because we're not actually welding, it's just the open circuit voltage. Put the positive in there, and just don't have wet hands or sweaty hands. Might get a little tingle. You won't die, but you'll get a little tingle if you got wet hands. There you go, 69 volts, which is close enough to 70 volts, and I recommend finding a machine with 70 volts or higher. A lot of them that don't have VRD, like this Sigweld 180 amp weld skill, it has a 70 volt open circuit voltage and no VRD, which is great and awesome. There's another way of seeing. Let's turn all this off. Sometimes all different brands are different in the way they represent this data, but see on the back sticker here, see stick, well, hang on, I've got one hand here and the phone, sorry, hang on a second. Alright, hang on. So see here, stick and TIG. On stick, UO 78 volts, even though we read 70, but the multimeter might be a little bit inaccurate. It's close enough. That tells you the open circuit voltage of the welder. Sometimes it'll even have VRD and like with it on and with it off, because VRD will have an open circuit voltage of like 9 or 10 or 11 or 12 volts, which is really low. But if that's another way of checking your open circuit voltage on the back. But if you get the multimeter, that's an even better way. Alright, cheers guys, catch you later.